Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what my kids will be getting in their stockings this year. So I have 4 kids. Their ages are 13, 17, 20, and 23. They are older, they're getting older, and they do all get stockings. I enjoy it. I've loved getting a stocking ever since I was a little kid. I still to this day get one from my husband. We do that for each other. So, you know, to a lot of people, they may stop doing stockings for their kids as they get older. That's totally fine, like to each his own. I just still really enjoy it. So my 23-year-old daughter is on her own. She and her boyfriend have an apartment nearby, and she has a full-time job. So, you know, I don't know when I'll stop. Maybe for her I'll stop, you know, as they get married or when they have children. I don't know. But right now I'm still enjoying it, so why not? Anyway, I'm going to show you what I'm getting each of them. I'm going to start this, I'm going to do this in 2 parts because I have my 3 girls. There's the 17, 20, and 23-year-old. And some of the things I'm giving them are similar. And then I have my son who's 13, and I don't have all of his stuff together yet, so I will do that in a separate video. So if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then hit that notification bell because if you want to see what I eventually show that I am giving my son. I hope this gives you some ideas for different things for older kids. I do see a lot of videos on small children, and I do remember those days, and I love those days. But now that my kids are older, you know, you kind of change what they'll be getting in their stocking. So let's just get into this. So here are the stockings for my girls. And this one is Alexis, as you can see, and this one is Skylar's, but Taylor's I cannot find at the moment. So I'm just using my husband's stocking so I can show you what I got her as well. I probably gave her stocking. She took it with her back to her apartment, returned it to me later, but so it wasn't packed away with these. And but I'll find it before Christmas. I just wanted to be able to do this video and have something to hold her stuff while I show you. So anyway, we're gonna start with Alexa. Alexa's 17. Oh, and by the way, in these I don't have any of the sweets. Like I will add some candy, always candy in their stockings, or cookies or snack cakes, just different things that they like. But in here what I have now is just the stuff that's like not food. So we'll start with Alexa's, and I picked her up this Nivea. It's like a body lotion. I think it's what they say, face, body, hands. So this Nivea lotion. And then this is a hand lotion specifically. I got this from my FabFitFun, and it says rose water hand cream. And I thought this would be really good. It's also vegan. It's a little added bonus. And then this I found at Dollar Tree, which is a face mask applicator. And then this mascara is the Essence, which is sold on Amazon. That's where I got it. It's only $5 each, which is extremely reasonable, and I've tried it already. It has really good reviews, and I love it. I really do. This is the, what is this type? The false lash effect type. It comes in different types. I got her a charger for her, a charging cord for her phone. These always break on us, so I always end up replacing those. And then a pair of cute Christmas socks. And some face masks. There's a few different ones. I think I got her 4. I got each of the girls 4. I bought a multi-pack of these on Amazon, and they also had really good reviews. And then I just divided it up among the girls. A pair of backup gloves. Like, these are not obviously super good gloves, but it's like I like them each to have a backup pair. And then these cute little page markers. These were from Dollar Tree. And they're narwhals. I mean, how adorable. And then this is a shadow switching sponge. I thought it looked interesting. You can keep using the same brush, and then you just you use this to kind of get the powder off or the color off when you switch. And these, which are also like a they're bookmarks, and I feel like this These stockings are going to start collapsing. Oh, I did throw this in there. Whoops. Okay, so I did have one sugar thing. These little mini fudge stripes. Pack of cookies. And these baby lips. I picked those up, I think, at Ross. Uh-oh, the stockings are falling. Hang on. Sorry about that. And then this nail color. Alexa likes a lot of mauves and stuff like that. I can't find like the exact name of it, but it's a Revlon nail color. It's not, for some reason it's not focusing, but anyway, it's pretty. And then an EOS lip balm. And a sanitizer. And then a pack of new earbuds. They always need new ones. Then a little travel toothbrush set. And this pack of makeup sponges, I got this off of Amazon. It was reasonably priced and they look good, had good reviews. And this little manicure set, thought it was adorable, from Dollar Tree. And this was from my FabFitFun. It was a like an add-on. I think it was an add-on, or it was edit sale, something like that. Anyway, it is a certain type of deodorant. I don't know. I thought it would just be neat for her to try. I've never seen one come like this before. Taking me a little while because I'm getting down in here now. Little sewing kit from Dollar Tree. And the last thing is one of these little bath poofs. I thought these were really pretty. Got these at Dollar General. So that is what Alexa is getting in her stocking. And I may have something else I ordered and I'm forgetting about, but this is the gist of it. I think it's plenty, and like I said, interspersed will be some candy and little maybe bags of cookies or something. Next we'll do Skylar. She is 20, actually should be 21 by Christmas. She turns 21 a couple weeks prior, so we'll just start with her nail polish. I picked her up this stuff, which I thought was really pretty and festive. And then she will have earbuds also, just a different color. And this is her lotion from FabFitFun. It was a 3-pack, which makes it very handy for me. This also was a 3-pack. The baby lips, hers does have a color to it. She tends to wear more bold colors on her lips. And then a little manicure set. A pair of cute little socks. Then I got her these little paper clip things. Those were from Dollar Tree. And I got her the mascara too. False Lash Effect by Essence. And she also will have 4 masks. Like I said, this came in a big set from Amazon. All different kinds for all different things. And they have they had good reviews. And I think they're all paper masks, but I'm not positive. And then she will have one of these too, the moisturizing cream. Then I got her a pair of gloves too, the little backup gloves. And she has the Narwhal pH markers. So this is her hand sanitizer. And an EOS lip balm. And she has one of these shadow switching sponges too. I was surprised to find those at Dollar Tree. I hope they work well. And then she also has a charging cord. And a toothbrush set, a travel set. And, oh, I picked up these 2 bars because her and Evan, Skylar and Evan really love Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So I found them these king size Cinnamon Toast Crunch treats. And her makeup sponges. And her bath poof thing too. So, let's see. I'll try to get this a little neater for you so you can see everything. So this is what Skylar got. As you can see, it's very similar to what Alexis is getting. And now for Taylor's, we have the makeup sponges and the face masks. She'll get 4, but they're a little, some are the same, some are different from her sister's. And then I got her this concealer and highlighter. It's a brow duo pencil. This was from FabFitFun. And then this really, really cute luggage tag. She's been traveling a bit more. And it's this adorable elephant. She loves elephants. So I thought that was really cute. Got that at Dollar Tree. Got her the mask applicator. She also gets a sanitizer. And the moisturizing cream. An EOS. And I got her this one. This was these came in a 3-pack. So this was hers. The lip moisturizer. And a pair of socks. Cute little festive socks. The manicure set like her sister's. The mascara. Earbuds in the rose gold. I get those off of Amazon. And then her hand cream, which is sweet citrus. Her shadow switching sponge. The Narwhal page markers. She got the white gloves, off-white. And then these little clips. And then she gets her nails done professionally, so I just got her a clear top coat, keep them shiny. And then the last thing was this bath poof that, like I said, I got these at Dollar General. So this is everything that Taylor will be getting her stocking, except for some sweets like candy and some, maybe some snack cakes or something, just depends. And then I also, like if I see something else, I'll just throw it in there. I did order each of my girls a spongella, or spongelle, I forget how you say it, 1 each. So I'll be adding that to it just didn't come yet, that I got from FabFitFun. So that is all. And here are some of the treats that they will be getting in their stockings. The Kit Kats I just got at Walmart. They're the little snack size ones. These, the Haribo, and they have Trolley too at Dollar Tree. $1 a bag, obviously. But with these, they're not individually wrapped, so you'd have to like fold it over and stick the whole bag in the stocking. These and these are both from Dollar Tree. They're little mini bags, but they're really like a good size. So just a cute little size, and they fit nicely in there. And my husband likes the Scooby Snacks, so I got those. And then oatmeal cream pies. I love moon pies. They're also from Dollar Tree. You get 6 packs. They're the mini moon pies, so they're a nice size too. The only thing is about these two is they will get crushed. So if you put these in a stocking, you want to just make sure you kind of stick them near the top. So that's just some of the treats that we like. And like if this stuff doesn't fit, I'll just put it away in the pantry, and you know, they'll have it as a treat sometime. Yeah, I just wanted to show you how small the moon pies are, which I like. They're good size. Don't want them too big. One more thing I forgot to mention about things like this, treats. I have these to show you for the video, but I don't buy any kind of things like this that can expire until much closer to Christmas, but I just purchased them for the video. And, you know, they'll just go in our pantry and the kids will eat them in their school lunches and stuff. So just wanted to mention that. All right, thanks for watching. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And then, like I said, hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload the video about what my son, my 13-year-old son, will be getting in his stocking. Also, I will be doing a Christmas giveaway. I will officially announce that over the next couple of weeks. I'm not sure exactly when. I'm still trying to gather things for it. You definitely want to subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I announce that giveaway. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Bye.